Let's create a nice smooth transition like this. Use any mesh you want. Convex mesh works best because of the bevel modifier. Set up a bevel modifier and a weighted normal modifier, just like you normally would. Select the face where you want the transition. Go to Mesh, Normals and click Flip. For the quick method, just hit Alt-N and select Flip. You can change the mixer outer to arc for even better results. That's it. Copy your modifiers if needed. Select the objects you want to update and select the finished one last. Hit Ctrl L and use Copy Modifiers. You will see the results more clearly if you uncheck Outline here.